So this is the old reverse osmosis system that has been in use for about 5 years without changing the filters. So instead of changing the filters out, I went ahead and just bought a whole new RO system for 120, or it's like 129. So you can remove this whole thing. And I also changed out the old leaking copper refrigerator ice maker line. It was leaking right there. All the way to behind here. So it goes like that. And then what's happening is this this line gets routed behind the countertop, and then it comes out right there in the end, so that you can hear it's filling up, but it goes in right here. This is going to be your freshwater outlet. And if you were going to use the faucet method, what you would do instead is you would take this faucet, right, and you would drill a hole. You would mount it like this, and then that would allow you to have reverse osmosis water, but I'm bypassing that step altogether. That's why I'm not using this either, because this would go to here. So I'm not using this, but I'm actually having the water go straight from here down and then to the refrigerator, which is going to be, it's going to be right here. I'll show you. So it's still filling up, so there's no pressure, but once it fills up, it'll be like that. So basically the way this works is, this is your waistline, here's your adapter. The adapter waistline goes into here, and then this is yellow line is for the tank, from here to the tank, and then install the valve. Make sure it's open so it can fill. And then this is already all installed for you. This is your valve, very important. And then you put your filters in. There's 2 O-rings on each one, and then you use your tool, like that one. Use this tool here to tighten it up. It slides over, and you tighten it. You can make sure that it lines up with that tab on each one. And then you could see the stages. So it's going to be stage 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. And that's pretty much it. On here, there's my cold water out. As you can see, you're gonna have to buy a adapter. I can't get a good view for you. That adapter right there. I'll take a picture for you, but you're gonna have to buy one. Just like that. And the one that you will need is this right here. It's a 1/4 inch. Not an insert, 1/4 inch in OD compression fitting. And that's it. You're not gonna use, I didn't use this because I have no need, since I'm going straight from the water side straight to the RO system. This came with the kit for the refrigerator. I also didn't need to do this because this is basically a tap. You twist this and it taps the line underneath for water. So this also you don't use. A quick little diagram for you. Wiring right there. Take a screenshot if you want. So that's how it goes right there. That's what it comes with there. Pretty simple. Just follow the colors. It tells you how to do that waste tap. So super easy. Just drill a small hole through it. There's the 2 O-rings. And it tells you how to connect the valve to the tank. How it should be at 8 psi, 10 psi, which you fill the air through right there, through the bottom. That's your air valve. So you gotta check it, make sure it's about 8 psi. And then here's another good diagram that shows you. See this blue line, which is here. I'm actually not using it because I have the water going straight from here to the refrigerator. So that's pretty much it. And these get replaced I would replace them every year or 2 years. But it just makes sense to buy these as a whole kit because it's cheaper than buying the filters, which is like probably $60 to $80 versus the whole kit, which is $120. Here's that filter. You do have to remove this, by the way. It's going to be a blue filter that you have to slide in there, which is right here. And all you do is you use this right here, and you remove this one. The way you remove these, by the way, is you pull these blue tabs out first. This gets pulled out. Then that red one, or the gray one, any of them, you push in, and then at the same time pull the tube that way. So that's it for that. Make sure you have no leaks. It's going to take some time to fill up, but just make sure you have no leaks afterwards.